Hello everyone, welcome back to SAP Learning Studio. I am Alex D'Souza and in this video we will create an SAP Fiori based table maintenance application using the SAP BTP ABAP Environment and the ABAP RESTful Application Programming Model, also known as RAP. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Open your Eclipse IDE. For this demo purpose, I have already created a table, and if you don't know how to create a table, if you have not watched that video, I will add the link in the description below. So let's start. Let me explain you the annotations quickly. So the first annotation is nothing but your description of your table. Think of this as the display name of the table. The second one is the enhancement category. So it means not extensible. So this annotation controls whether the table can be enhanced or not, like no additional fields can be added later or not. So the table structure is fixed. This is important for stable configuration tables. So the next one we have as table category. So it is transparent, meaning one-to-one mapping to the database table, and the data is stored directly in the database. Most business tables are transparent tables. Here we have the delivery class as A. A means it contains application data and the data is client dependent. The data cannot be transported by customizing transport. So the data here can be created or changed by application logic and not by configuration. And since we are going to create a configuration table, let's change this to C. You can simply press Control space and hover over it and read the documentation as well. So the C stands for configuration data and not a transactional data. And the next one is data maintenance allowed or not allowed. So since we are creating a configuration table, we need to allow this. This means that the data can be created or changed or deleted by the required Fiori table maintenance app. So without this, you cannot maintain the data. So the next step is to create a business configuration maintenance app. Navigate to your package where you have created this table. Go to dictionaries, database tables, and let me activate this table. Right click on your table and click on generate ABAP repository objects. So a business configuration maintenance object makes our table available in the custom business configuration app. So when you select this configuration in the app, SAP automatically provides a Fiori based element user interface to maintain the data. We need not create any UI manually. So to generate all these required objects, we use the ABAP repository generator. So simply click on next and give your package name. See ABAP SAP Learning Studio. I'll use my own package. You can use your own package. Click on next. So this generator creates the RAP business objects like service binding, service definition, and the business configuration maintenance objects automatically. If you are working on a SAP ABAP BTP environment or any SAP S4 HANA Cloud Public Edition, you can continue normally. Since we are using a BTP trial account, there are some limitations, like we cannot create some user roles. I'll also show you how to deal with those scenarios as well. So click on next. So all the objects will be generated automatically. Click on next. And now click on finish. So all the artifacts are getting generated in the business configuration maintenance section, like the data modeling, the projection views, the behavior implementation, all the classes are being generated. This usually takes some time. Once this dialog box opens, click on open, click on the service binding. So all the OData services, all the artifacts, all the CDS views are generated automatically, and now you need to publish the service. Click on publish. The theory section and the documentations, I'll give a link down in the description below. So there is an application called as business configuration app, and it is optional to use. We can build our own RAP application and deploy it as a separate Fiori app. And however, this case we must maintain that Fiori app ourselves to handle all the updates and manage the application using the Git. And we will also lose the standard features like transport recording and Excel upload. That is why a business configuration is recommended for maintaining the data. So once our service is published, we can see a Fiori tile. So click on preview. A Fiori tile application is created. Click on go. And if you see here, you don't have now the edit option. This is because we don't have the authorization. As I said, that we are using a trial account and there are some limitations, and we can go at the code level and fix this. So let's come to our Eclipse IDE again and come to the source code library, come to classes, and there will be a local class generated as your table name for your table. And if you see, there is something called as get global authorization. You need to click here and you need to comment this. Since there is no authorization, we have to comment this. And now activate. Come back to our Fiori screen, to our Fiori app, refresh, and now you have the edit option as well. So click on edit, and now click on create. Let's create our config data. Click on continue and apply and save. There's another error. It says specify a transport request. As I mentioned earlier, we are using a trial account. We cannot create our transport request. So to deal with this, there is another workaround. So come back again to your class and you will find something as validate transport request. You need to come and comment this. So when you will have a actual system, you will have all the authorizations. Since this is a demo account, we don't have the authorizations, and this is just a workaround for demo purpose. So come back to your application, refresh it, and now it will allow you to save the data. So it says your object saved. Ignore this and let's see the data preview. So the data is maintained. If I want to add some more fields, I'll quickly add some more fields. S2. I'll keep it as inactive, apply, and save. Come and refresh. The data has been inserted. Now you know how to create a SAP Fiori based table maintenance application using SAP BTP ABAP Environment and ABAP RESTful Application Programming Model, also known as RAP. So that's it for the video. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.